Hola amigos, this is Gargi, and today we are going to talk about what things we can do in this lockdown to make our lives interesting. So, first of all, I would say that we should fall in love with the process of becoming a better version of ourselves. Because of the lockdown, our lives have come to a standstill, and we need to do some interesting things to make it much better. So, the first thing what we can do is we can do yoga or exercise. This is the ultimate practice which you can do. It helps to keep yourselves healthy, and also it helps to bring out a better version of yourselves. The second thing you can do is, I think when we are at home, we don't dress up well. I think dressing up well is very important, because if you don't dress up, you are kind of lazy all through the day and lethargic. So when you are dressed up, you keep yourself motivated, and which also forms a very important part of the daily routine. Third thing is, what you can do is you can read. Reading is said to be a conversation. Reading keeps you updated, and it also gives you new ideas. It helps your brain to work in a better way. So reading is very important, and by that you can be updated also. Third, you can do is you can spend a lot of time with your family, because earlier it was very difficult, but now you can give time to your family. You can also play games, decorate your house. That is also a very good way of spending time. You can do some online courses, like you can use edX to do some online courses. They have various category of fields from which you can select the course and do. You can also learn a new language through Lingoda. So that is also a very important thing which you can do in this lockdown. Also, I feel that you can do some handicraft work at home, and to enhance your creativity. So these things are the ultimate things which you can do at home. Always remember, stay strong, stay positive, never give up, and you will see the change what what is taking you forward in life. Thank you so much, friends. See you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.